What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing Yeezy 700 V3s clay brown. These been picked up from Adidas website for £170, which is $200. They were released on the 21st of December. And yeah, that's the box it came in. Let's unbox it. So that's the box. Made in China, originals, Clabro, clay brown. These are in size 7, UK, 7.5 US. These are not for me. Standard Yeezy boxes. They also come with extra pair of laces. So Yeezy 700. These are the second 700 on my channel. We also got Alvah, which is really similar to these ones. If you want me to compare them, let me know in the comments. I'll do a quick side-by-side review on those. Yeah, so I'll just show you quickly around the shoe. And it is branding on the back. Very dark brown midsole. These are like bright brown bottoms. I'm not sure about these blue foam. What do you think, guys? I mean, nobody's gonna see it really, but these are not boost. This is foam inside. Black toe box. Rubbery material as well. So this mesh. Just comparing to Alvah, very similar in terms of materials. You can see the reflective part of the shoe. Very bright. It's a different lacing system again from the previous 700s. Just a pull. Which one do you prefer, guys? This one or regular two lace system? They are really similar to all latest 700 V3s. Just different colorways. I'm not sure about these ones. What are your thoughts, guys? In real life it looks really dark brown. Through the camera it doesn't really show that. It's just like dark black color. I don't know. Can I take out the thingy insole? No, it's just glued in there. For £170, $200. These are not limited edition, or wasn't really hard to get these. You can see he's got translucent cage, which I'm gonna check if it glows in the dark in a second. And yeah, there's nothing really much to say about these ones as well. They're all similar, just different colorways. In terms of weight, pretty light shoe. If you got any questions, guys, let me know in the comment section down below. I will leave my Instagram in the description. This one is more straight than this. So yeah, if you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe, because why not? You're already here. And I will see you in the next one.